From the company, we have a bar cart, weighs about 13 kilograms, and what we're going to do is show you a close-up look, the parts, the products, the hardware, how to install, and what it looks like when it's completed. Everything should have a number, and everything is in order. You get an instruction manual, and what you're going to do is just glance over it, make sure you get all the parts and the material that are supplied, and you're going to start to piece everything together. Match like for like in the instruction booklet. Grab the bar, work it into place correctly. Grab either your own or their screwdriver, which is nice to have, and start to assemble. On the bottom, you have the wheels and a wrench to start to tighten up. A good reason why you get a very narrow wrench to tighten up. What you're going to do is you're going to lock these in. Take your pieces known as 7 pass-through holes, 2 holes on the bottom and a hole over here. These go on the outside, like so. You're going to sink the screw all the way in the best you can on every single one. Take your shelf, get your screws, get another person if you like. Take your bolts, do your best to start to lock these in. Take your time and you'll work everything out with no problem. When you tighten everything down on all 4 bolts in the front, I come back here and I remove this bolt, which helped me hold my shelf up. Going to repeat the same thing for the bottom. Going to take all these screws here, and what you're going to do is you're going to lift up and you're going to lock these in on every single bottom hole. With the Allen key, we'll lock them down. Before you start to lock these down, you're going to take this board here, number 5. You're going to place them in. That's your backing. They're the pass-through holes. Safety corners, they come off. All these stickers that are on, they come off. You're going to align this up here. Get the rest of your screws. You're going to look for all the areas that need screws and finish up. I look for the hole, and that's it. Now I just tighten down. If you're left over with one of each screw, bolt, finish with your right angle, screwdriver, and wrench. Take the instructions and all, place them away. Again, remember to remove all these stickers. They're easy to peel off. This is a beautiful table that you can put a microwave, coffee table, a printer, anything that you want to put on here with shelving in the back that will protect it from sliding off underneath. It's on wheels that you can lock. Depending on where you put the lock, in the front or the back, you lock it up. Store your paper. Put your products on there. A lot you can do. The build took under an hour to do with the proper tools and all. With the tools supplied, it may take you a little longer. Take your time. It's very easy. It's very sturdy. It doesn't look sturdy at the beginning, but once it's all together, you'll be amazed how strong it is. It's got a nice design, a nice fit for your home, and if you want to use it for any type of household, office, places that you want to have a rolling cart to put anything on, this product may be right for you.